massive red plasma energy, 50 kilometer wide, spawned in the mesosphere at an altitude of 90 kilometer. Yet, it evaded scans at a perfect 0% on modern meteorological radar networks for over a century. The worst observational contradiction in atmospheric physics. Throughout the 20th century, numerous commercial airline pilots flying over thunderstorms reported terrifying visual data. Unlike standard lightning striking downwards beneath dark clouds, they witnessed massive red columns blasting upwards from the clouds toward space, resembling reverse propulsion. However, the meteorological community thoroughly denied this physical fact. The dense global meteorological radar networks and satellite sensors failed to scan even 1% of this upward energy discharge trajectory. The scientific community dismissed it as an optical hallucination caused by pilot fatigue. But in July 1989, this severe sensor network error was shattered by a research team at the University of Minnesota. On a high-performance, low-light optical video sensor left, running to track nocturnal rocket trajectories, exactly 2 frames of a massive red plasma mass detonating above a thunderstorm were scanned. Known as the Red Sprite, this phenomenon is a massive low-temperature plasma explosion occurring between the ionosphere and the mesosphere. At the very top of the atmosphere, it acts as a reaction. When a tropospheric thunderstorm system discharges extreme, positive energy, the scale of this mass reaches 50 kilometers in width, massive enough to swallow dozens of Mount Everests. But its duration is in the scale of a millisecond. It was so brief that it perfectly penetrated the sweep cycles of classical weather radars. A 100-year paradox where massive energy on the scale of Everest was clearly imprinted on the visual optics of pilots, yet existed as a 0% vacuum state within humanity's sensor networks, defying meteorological physics by reaching upwards into space. This 1989 optical log of the Red Sprite remains the most bizarre system, contradiction that mocked the common sense of atmospheric physics.